best scenery ever. Peace, tranquility. Look at this stuff, man. Look, and I even got my own little grotto over here. Woo! Little private koi pond. This is what we call beautiful. Man, I don't see fish. Trout must be gone. Look at that carrot from all that rain. Like I said, man, it doesn't cost you nothing. Look at this tree. So beautiful. Hold on. The what? Look at that, man. Everybody have a blessed day, man. Get out and go look at the nice scenery. Listen to some music. Do whatever you got to do. Keep your head up. Stay positive. Forget the haters. You need